In this tutorial, we will learn about how to configure the website system, another one of the unique and useful features of the JSN Sun framework. The JSN Epic template will be used as an example in this video. Now, let's take a quick look at the system configuration. Go to Templates Manager under Extensions and choose JSN Epic 2 Default. Then click on the System tab. The system configuration offers some down-to-earth but amazing features that most web owners need, such as adding website favicon icon, assets optimization, adding external tracking codes, and adding custom CSS or JavaScript. Let's get started with adding website favicon icon. This feature allows you to add a favicon for your website. Make sure that your icon file is .ico type and the size should be 16 by 16 pixels. Upload and select your icon via Media Selector. Click on Save System and go to the front page, then refresh to check the favicon. Next, explore the Assets Optimization. Here you can configure the compression settings, such as asset compression allows you to compress both CSS and JS, only CSS, only JS, or nothing. The max file size allows you to define the maximum size a compressed file can be. It's recommended to set 100 kilobytes for most servers. Cache directory allows you to specify the directory for storing compressed CSS or JS files. Exclude from compression allows you to set a list of files you don't want to be compressed. Enable Minify HTML. This will remove all empty spaces found either at the start or the end of each line, or all the empty lines. And the Move JS to Bottom option allows you to move all script tag from header section to the end of the body section. The next one is adding external tracking codes. You can utilize this feature to add tracking codes required by Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager, or those of other tracking services before and after head and body tag. Hit Save System to save all the codes added. Finally is adding custom CSS and JS feature. For all customization purposes, JSN Sun Framework allows you to load multiple CSS or JS files you customize without altering the template core files. To create your custom CSS or JS files, go to Templates Manager under Extensions, click on Templates on the side menu on the left, and select JSN Epic 2 Pro Details and Files. Here, click on the New File button on the toolbar. Enter the file name, choose a file type, and click on the Create button to create a new file. Now you can feel free to write your custom CSS code to the new file. Do the same to create a CSS file if you want to create a JavaScript file. Enter the file name, select JS file type, and click on Create button. Here is your custom JavaScript file. Only custom CSS. If you don't want to create a new file, you can use custom.css available file in the template. Let's try to add CSS code to change the color of the section main menu. In the front end, inspect the element to get the ID of the section main menu. Go back to custom.css available file in the template to add the CSS code for this ID. We will set a new background color as blue. Save the custom code. The next step is to go to System Configuration page to put the custom CSS or JS files. For the available file, you'll need to put the path of this file. With your own file, just put the file name. Do the same if you want to load your custom JavaScript. Don't forget to save system. Go to the front end and refresh to check the changes. The menu color has been changed from black to blue. Thank you for watching. Please check our other videos to learn more about how to work with the JSN Sun framework.